G'day viewers, I picked up this dead 42-inch Samsung plasma panel from 2007. It's only about 9 years old, but unfortunately they had a 50-kilogram bloody bin tipper sitting on it. The bin tipper that goes in the forklift. Pressed on here, because it was in the box that the other TV, new TV came in, the styrofoam was packed on the wrong side, only on one side of it, and because it wasn't square, it bloody cracked the PDP module. But I think the X and Y sustain board, one of these boards here is all it would have needed. It would have been good to go again. So I got some parts out of it anyway. I would have got this TV going if that panel wasn't cracked. But anyway, I thought it originally had bad capacitors. I was going to check those, but I think the power supply and everything else is good. Maybe just X or Y sustain board or something like that. Wouldn't have been hard to fix, but if I can get a 42-inch Samsung PDP module. Yep, 15th of the 6th, 2007. Be good. Got to look at that for a 42-inch PDP module from the same era. This one's from 2005, so the other one was, I think, was from 2003. Slightly older, a lot worse shaped plate-wise. Listen to the plates are more intact. What I've done, got them with 750 grams in this whole full 2.5 litre bottle of bicarb soda, shook it up and poured it in each of the cells after I've rinsed this out 3 times. As you can see, that stuff there, that's all lead dissolved off the plates, off the battery. That's very nasty stuff, so I better contain this. If I could let it settle and the acid itself can be poured safely, as long as there's no lead in there, it's not so bad. But when it's got that lead in there, you've got to contain it, because that lead is what makes it really toxic, especially when it's brown. That brown lead is its lead dioxide, which is lead in its most decomposed lead, I think, in its most toxic form. So it's very, very nasty. You see there's a lot of all that bits of battery plate. I've rinsed most of that crap out as I could. Just gonna fill the rest of the cells up with this mixture to clean the plates, what's left of it. Okay, viewers, I poured the acid neutralisation mix in. As you can see, it's neutralising there. Let that settle down, and I rinse it out further. Give it another couple of rinses to get the remaining bicarb out, and it should be ready for the conversion. Because yeah, you want to get all the corrosive stuff out I've just been studying up. The less corrosive acid remains, the better it is for the plates. You want the plates to be clean, to get them as much reactivity out of them as possible. What's left of them, that is. As I keep saying, because a previous century battery I showed before, from 2003, 90% of the plates ended up inside in that acid dumped out in another drum. So that mightn't have much at all left in it, but we'll use it as a control. I won't do this cleaning experiment. I just put my mixture in and see what happens. This one here would do it. This one and that supercharged one would do this cleaning experiment. See what results I yield. You should really put the caps on too, because all that brown stuff has to be contained. That's the lead dioxide there. That's the nasty stuff you don't want to put in the environment, because it can end up in the food chain. Yeah, it's pretty bad stuff, this lead. There's going to be very bit of safety involved. Anyway, that's cleaning the plates. Yeah, they look pretty clean. Not a bit. Yeah, not as bad as they were before, but they're a lot better. And the solder drop looks freaking brand new. Unbelievably. That's the one that dropped the interconnecting strap failed. Look how clean it is compared to the rest of them. And you can see there in the side of the cell, the light in there, zoom in, there's like a centimetre gap between the wall of the cell wall with the battery there, the actual cell itself, and the actual plates. Basically what that is, that's what this expanded grid technology EXG is. You've got the cell there, takes up that much space in a room that's that big. So you've got an extra centimetre of play. It can grow and shrink all at once. There's little plastic tabs, like a spring that holds the plates gently together, holds them in place and expands it. It allows the cell to expand a lot and contract. You can see, just see it there, the EXG technology this battery uses. I let that sit for a couple of days, to clean itself out, and they'll rinse it out and dump it in there, and this battery is ready for the conversion. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. I better save this video, process it, and reformat this card with this camera because it's still on a control data error thing again. So for now, thanks for watching.